In this video, I will be discussing the charting functionality that is new to Image Studio 4.0. So if you notice over here on the side, we have a tab that is called Chart. And so if I click on that, you'll notice that there is no chart available right now, and that's because I don't have the correct chart selected. So since this was a Western analysis, what I need to do is to select a Western for the charting. So if I click on that, we will see the chart become available right here. And if you want to see which band correlates with which particular column, if I click on the column, you'll see that that band becomes highlighted over here. Now there are a lot of options when it comes to setting up the chart. You can change this from either a bar chart to a scatter plot if you would like. You can change the data type. So if you need to customize your chart, we have several options for this. You can choose which table the data will come from. You can change what is on the y-axis. You can change the category. There are also subcategories and series. So you have a lot of options when it comes to optimizing the way that this chart looks. We also have a few options on here as far as the scaling. You can change whether this is a log scale, whether it's in thousands, or just no scaling at all. We have options for the labels if you want to change the labels. So if you want to create a customized table, you can change the chart title, and then you can also change the X and Y axis titles as well. We have options as far as colors go. You can change those to a whole variety of different color sets if you want to. And then exporting options as well. So you can save this as a particular file. You can copy this. So if you just wanted to paste it into another document outside of Image Studio, you can do that, or you can print it. Now, if I change my analysis type, so if I go back and choose a different analysis type, I will have to change the chart type right up here. And if you have created a custom chart here and you want to save that for use later on, you just simply, from the pull-down list, you click this Save Current Chart Templates. If you would like the table to be included with your PDF export, so if you have created a lab book, what you can do is, if you have chosen the Shapes lab book right here, if you click on Edit, you can add the chart view, either the half page or the full page. You can add that to a PDF export, so that will be included with that. And then also the other analysis types. So if I have a DNA gel, I can do that DNA gel bands right there. If you have an Incel Western that you have done, you can change that to, we have two options for that, either the Incel Western relative or the Incel Western percent response. And you can, one thing with this is that if you have, like say on the Incel Western, if you haven't used all of the fields, if you filter out the unused wells on here, then it plots them out in a little more usable fashion. And the same holds true for if I go back to the Western analysis, we will see that if I don't want to include the molecular weight markers on here, if I filter out, if I highlight, if I right-click on there, and if I remove the marker lanes from there, they are now hidden, and then they will not show up in this in the chart view over here. So you do have a lot of options when it comes to customizing any of these charts. So if you have any further questions, please refer to the help section. Thank you.